What is love? Who gave his life to me? Oh, shed his blood, then he died, rose again so that we can live abundantly. He came and he died, then he rose. He conquered hell and the grave. What is his name? His name is Jesus. His name is Jesus. Oh, what is love? Who came and died for us? Who is love? Who came and filled my cup? What is love? Who came and died for us? Who is love? Who came and took my cup? No more doubt, no more shame. My life has been changed for the better. I can't stop now, I gotta win. Renew my mind, take